Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today quickly we are making Gobhi Paratha. This is grated gobi. Make sure you squeeze out the water completely and it should feel dry like this. This is half onion, very little coriander leaves, and this is paneer, which is optional. We've mixed everything together, adding the masala in it. Red chili powder, green chili tastes really good in it, but I don't eat, so I have not added. This is jeera and salt. You can also add roasted jeera powder. And very important ingredient is butter. Butter will create a nice and creamy taste for the paratha. So now you'll have to use your hand to mix everything together. This is a recipe for only one paratha. If you are making more, you'll have to double the amount. And that's it for masala. And I'm making a huge one, so I have taken a big atta ka lui. Lui sounds very cute word, isn't it? So here I'm making a pocket with the lui using both the thumb. And now slowly filling up all the masalas. I like to have stuffed paratha with a good stuffing, so I'm trying to fill up as much as I can. And now the corners of the lui, we want to bring it together. So closing the pocket, rolling it in. And now very important step is just sprinkle some more dry atta, and like this we want to spread the internal masalas, and this way it will be easier to roll out the paratha also. So now with a soft hand we start to roll out. And my chakla is smaller than the paratha. But yeah, if you have bigger chakla, it'll be better. Now we are ready to place this on tawa. Make sure your tawa is hot enough. Look for a small bubble on the top side of paratha, and then we want to flip it to the other side. And now I'm applying ghee on this side. You can also use oil. Now I've purposely kept this paratha very thin so that it's easier to cook gobi inside the paratha. But if your paratha is thicker than this, you might have to use extra oil, which will become like a shallow fry paratha. Otherwise, the gobi will not get cooked properly and it might become gassy. I'm applying a little extra ghee on corners of the paratha to make it a little more crispier. And keep pressing it with the spatula and we flip it on the other side. So keep pressing and keep cooking on medium flame. Make sure you don't cook this on high flame. And here my nice crispy brown paratha is almost ready. And my ginger tea is waiting for my paratha and myself. I'm eating this for my breakfast along with lots of ghee and mayonnaise. I hope you found this helpful. I will see you in the next video.